Hello my loves, how are you all doing today? We are going to be making a Edikaikong soup with fresh vegetables. So I have my blended peppers. If you want to know what I blend into my vegetable soup, check my other vegetable soup recipes. I have a lot of them. So here is my water leaf. We call this water leaf. So some of them are green. I got this from my garden and I said I was going to use it. This is a lot. I didn't know it was going to be this much. So I'm going to be adding some spinach. I'm going to be adding some kale. Yeah, so these are what I'm going to be using for this soup. Okay, so let's start. So here is my pot. I've added palm oil to the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and add some diced onion. And I'll leave it for 60 seconds to toast. So guys, here is my shrimp. I'm going to fry my shrimp for a little bit. That's the way I want to go about it. So I'm going to add the shrimp to the pot. I'm going to let it fry. Make sure it's on high when you're doing this. I'll let it toast for just 2-3 minutes. So yeah, this is 2 minutes now. I'm going to add my blended stuffs. I'm going to go ahead and add crayfish. I'm adding a cup of crayfish. This is Edikaikong soup. Edikaikong soup take a lot of crayfish. So I added just a cup. I added 1 cup so I will have a good taste of this soup. Yeah, this is my blended tatashe. We call it red bell. So I have red bell here. I have about 2 scotch bonnets. I have onion, garlic, ginger. Those are the things I added to my oil, and then my shrimp, and then I just added crayfish. Okay, this is how I want to go about it, so that it will give me a lovely taste of Edikaikong soup. Stay tuned. It's been cooking now for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with my chicken breast. Do you like to grill your protein for soup, for stew? How do you like your protein in your soup? I like to grill my protein most of the time. Sometimes it doesn't work out, but I like to grill my protein. It gives me a beautiful kind of taste, like my mother's soup. Yeah. So I'm going to give it a quick stir so everything can taste completely nice. It smells divine in this kitchen. It tastes so delicious. Yeah, you can go about your Edikaikong this way. Like I used to tell you guys, everything depends on how you love to go about your soup. I love fresh items. You can, with your Edikaikong, you can use just dried pepper. You can use dried pepper if you like, but I like to go in with my fresh items, and I love herbs a lot, so you can decide to go whichever way. So here is my grilled fish. I'm going to add it in. I don't want to break it. I just want it to be in those gorgeous sizes, so I can pick any one of them and enjoy myself in this pot of goodness, guys. Isn't this wonderful? I'll let it cook for a little bit. So guys, I have cow feet here and the broth, which is what we're going to be using to make this soup. So I'm going to be adding the cow feet. So I'm going to stir everything together so they can all have an amazing taste. This is how I want to go about this Edikaikong. So you can choose to go with periwinkle if you have periwinkle. You can choose to use beef tripe. You can choose to use whatever kind of protein anyways. Go ahead, goat meat, beef, whatever. This is what I choose to use for this very Edikaikong recipe, okay? So you can choose whatever protein of your choice. You can use dried pepper if you care. You can decide not to use fresh pepper at all. It's choice, guys. I'll close this up and I'll let it cook for 10 minutes and then I'll add everything. So I'm going to go ahead and add vegetables. So I'll add my water leaf. I'll support it with spinach. I want to drop this soup immediately. I don't want this soup to change color at all. I'll go ahead and add my kale. This is it, guys. See how delicious, delicious, delicious. Started to add more vegetables, so I went ahead to add more crayfish. Our Edikaikong. Edikaikong. Woo, this one don't get water at all. This one Edikaikong without water. Oh, guys, this is beautiful. Very beautiful, beautiful. Wow, this is good. Yeah. Our Edikaikong soup is ready. I'll just close it for a little bit. I'll go in with some onion. Just close it up for a little bit. If you have watched till now and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to close it up and let it come to a boil. And that is it. It tastes so good. This is it. This is it, guys, for your Edikaikong soup. This is so delicious. Our soup is ready. I hope you give this a try. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Our soup is ready. Try this. It's a delicious soup recipe. This is the Akwa Ibom people soup. So we went to Akwa Ibom today. Richie's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart.